káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Pavilion TV gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà o. Ìròyìn kàyéfì ńlá kan òun ni a mú wá lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Kàyéfì ńlá gbáà òun leléyìí o. Ọkùnrin kan rèé o tó ní pé kí olùṣọ́ àgùntàn àgbà fún ìjọ Dunamis kó dá gbogbo owó okòwò òun tí òun ti san kí wọ́n dá padà fún òun o, wípé òun ò tẹ̀lé wọn lọ ìjọba ọ̀run mọ́ o. Ó ní kí wọ́n dá gbogbo investment òun padà o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wò ó, à ń padà bọ̀.
No longer interested in that kingdom again. There is a Bible verse that you use to convince me to invest in heaven. In Matthew chapter 6 verse number 19, which says, "Lay not up for yourself treasure upon earth, where moth and rust doth corrupt, and where thieves break through and steal. But lay up for yourself treasure in heaven, where neither moth nor rust doth corrupt, and where thieves do not break through nor steal. For where your treasure is, there will your heart be also." Because of this Bible verse that you taught us, it moves me to start laying treasure in heaven with the Tithe booklet that you gave to me. Look at the Tithe booklet here. We call it Kingdom Investment. I started investing. I have a lot of money there. I went through it. I saw that I made a lot of money in the kingdom of God now. Right now, I am no longer interested. I don't want to die in hunger before my time. Please, I'm no longer interested of the kingdom of God there. If you see me that day there, send me out. I am no longer interested. Please, can you refund me my money? I will be happy. I'm a full member. I joined your church in the year 2008. In 2011, I became a full member. I went for membership class. I was given a certificate of membership. I still furthermore for disciple and leadership. I got my certificate. At the end, I still furthermore for diploma, Dunamis School of Ministry. I got the certificate, so I have everything to let you know. Everything in my house. Look at it. In 2013, manifesting His glory. My full name is there. So please, I want my money back. We are passing through hell right now, currently in Nigeria. I will have to pay my workers. I have to service my life and service my family and live life, normal life. Please, do. I don't want to insult anybody. I don't want to make trouble with anybody. I just need all my tithes. Let's forget about the offering and the gifts that I give to churches. To not only in your center, in branches. I give to them altar and so many. I don't need that. What I need is what I have a proof of. These are my investments to heaven. I don't want that heaven again. At least I have made up my mind to go to hell. Please, I need my money.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá leléyìí o, kàyéfì ńlá gbáà sì ni. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, ẹ má gbàgbé láti fi èrò tiyín ránṣẹ́ lórí comment section. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ẹ subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí, Pavilion TV, fún àwọn ìròyìn àsìkò àti kàyéfì. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá.